In this nursery we've got a row of nepenthes robcantleyi hamata to show you. These are randomly selected from a very large number of different clones in the stock nursery. So we'll just quickly shoot down this row and have a look at plants from this parade, as I like to call them. So going down, we've got very clearly the hamata characteristics in the pictures, and also the robcantleyi in the actual physical size. If you can get that one out, pictures are quite large, but hamata unmistakably, see if we can focus on those teeth, unmistakably hamata there in the peristome, and a little bit on the coloration of the picture body on this particular form. Moving on down, we've got different colorations. This one's got a darker picture, a very dark, lustrous peristome, as has the individual next door, and the one next door to that slightly different again. But look at this one. This one's unusual. It's actually an intermediate picture, but it's nearly all green. There's sort of messed up coloration to the peristome, which I quite like. Moving down, here's one that's almost entirely green, except for the teeth on the inside of the peristome. Let's see if we can focus on that for you. There we go. That's the teeth have got this delicate coloration to them. No coloration on the exterior of the picture body. So these are actually really randomly selected from a very large number of different clones that we sell under a single item number. We made this item several times and decided to combine them, as the form of the pictures don't vary that much, but the colorations do. We might eventually decide to separate out some particular colors. This is part of the fun of it. If you get a batch of plants or get a plant from somewhere of this batch, then it's a real lucky dip what color you might see. Maybe one of these, or it could be entirely different again.